Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to mention all your friends and Facebook comments at once. Okay, so the first thing that you will need to do is you will have to open your Facebook application first and then navigate to the post where you want to mention all of your friends at once. So for example, this post, okay, so just then click on the comment option, okay, and then using the comment box, just type out the symbol first, okay, and then type out friends. And then you don't have to click any of these users. Instead, just tap on space from your keyboard and then post your comment. Then right after that, all of your friends and your Facebook account will be notified, and then we're going to navigate on that specific post. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.